What's an event in history that is so ridiculous it sounds fake? The Erfurt latrine disaster occurred on July 26, 1184, when Henry VI, King of Germany, later Holy Roman Emperor, held a Hoftag informal assembly in the Petersburg citadel in Erfurt. On the morning of 26th of July, the combined weight of the assembled nobles caused the wooden second-story floor of the building to collapse, and most of them fell through into the latrine cesspit below the ground floor, where about 60 of them drowned in liquid excrement.